Hi my lovelies, welcome back to KK's Kitchen and More. Today we are frying up some nice sliced fish and turning it into the real Jamaican Escovitch sauce. Crispy on the outside, seasoned right and topped with the spicy vinegar, carrot, onion and pepper mix. If you love authentic Jamaican flavor, stay right here because this one is simply tasty and full of island vibes. Let's get straight into it. All right, my lovelies. So now we are going to season up the fish. I already have my sliced fish clean and ready. So I am just going to season. Okay? Make sure you get the seasoning on both sides because we want every bite to have flavor. I am not doing anything complicated today, just seasoning nice so when it fry you get that nice flavor and it will come out crispy, golden and tasty. You can season yours however you like. Whatever seasoning you have, you use it, okay? But make sure you don't leave the fish plain because Escovitch sauce must have flavor from the inside out, okay? So I already done one side and I'm doing the other side too, right? You know my regular seasoning, guys, that I use, but as I said earlier, use whatever seasoning you have. We just want to ensure that the fish is properly seasoned. So you finish seasoning, you can put it in a dish, cover dish, and leave it to marinate properly. You can leave it for 30 minutes or however long you like. Now I'm going in with some oil and I'm using the olive oil. You can use whatever oil you have, guys. To the oil, I'm going to put a Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to put some garlics. Yes, guys, and so this will help to flavor the oil. Now that the oil is hot, so I'm going to start adding in the fish. Be careful when you are putting in the fish because you don't want the oil to splash. We are going to fry these until they get nice and golden brown. Don't rush it, guys. Let one side fry properly before you turn it over because that is how you get that nice golden color and crispy texture. Look at that, my lovelies. This is what we want. Nice fried sliced fish. Golden and smelling so good. After this, we are going to move to the Escovitch sauce. So I'll fry these out and I have some more. I'll fry them as well and then After the frying, we'll come right into the escovitch sauce. Stay tuned, guys. Don't leave to the end. You want to see how I make this escovitch sauce. Is nothing that is already on my channel. It's a new way, so you want to see that sauce. Look at them, so golden and beautiful. Oh, guys, I always tell her that I am enticed by the look of food. I am enticed by the look of food. And so here now, I am taking them out and I'm putting them on napkin to drain off excess oil. Okay. So we complete our frying now, guys. We complete our frying. So I'm taking out, this is the last set I'm taking out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Golden, bro. Look at that. Guys, I can't wait to eat. So now for the escovitch sauce. I am doing mine a little bit different today. I have already chopped my vegetables, so I won't be showing that. So to this pot, I put 1 cup of water and 1 cup of vinegar. Same equal parts, right? 1 water, 1 vinegar. And to that, I am going to put my Scotch bonnet pepper. I am going in with 1 tablespoon of sugar and a little salt, and I'm going to allow that to boil for between 3 to 5 minutes. This is totally different from the one that I have on my channel, guys. It's another way, and I find this way more flavorful. So you can try this when you get the chance. I am going in now, and I'm going to put a little black pepper in, and I'm going to put some pimento in as well. So here I go, guys. I'm putting in some oil. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to saute the vegetables, right? Remember, sauteing open flavors, right? So the flavors of the vegetable will burst with the heat. Yes, guys, and we just have flavor on top of flavor. All right, we'll have a flavor bomb. Yes, guys. So I'm going in now with all my vegetables, bell peppers, onion. Yes, guys, carrots. And you know I love color, so it's different color bell pepper, guys. And I'm going in now with my carrots, and all I'm going to do is allow it to saute properly. And if you notice, I have a lot of carrots because, guys, the carrot tastes so nice when it is flavored. Yes, guys. So I'm just going to allow it now to just saute. So from time to time, I will just stir. Okay, we don't want them mushy, guys, so you know we have to saute them on a kind of higher flame, right? Because we're not looking for mushy. We want them to be firm when we put the sauce on it. Okay, so hence why the fire is up like that. So yes, guys, we just stir. Don't want it to burn either, so you don't leave it alone. I just want to say big up to all my lovely subscribers. Thank you so much for holding me down. I see you guys, I see you, and I appreciate you. And if you are here for the first time and you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and you can watch some of my videos as well, guys. You will love my videos, authentic Jamaican cooking on this channel and simple lifestyle. So guys, here I'm going in now with that sauce. Yes guys, vinegar mixture. Yes guys, that already seasoned now, so we are just putting them together now, right, in the pot, and stir a little. This don't need any further cooking, because remember we saute the vegetable and we also already boil the vinegar in the water. So here it is guys, look how lovely and beautiful this is. Now that the escovitch sauce is ready, we are going to pour it over our fish, guys. Look at those colors, the carrot, the onion, the pepper, everything just bring the fish to life. And this is it, my lovelies, fried sliced fish done with escovitch sauce. Simple, flavorful, and real Jamaican vibes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to KK Kitchen and More. Tell me in the comment, guys, if you like your escovitch sauce spicy or mild. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Walk good, guys. God bless you. Enough love from KK's Kitchen.